it's Joelle and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, for those of you who are new here, my name is Joelle. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and salon owner with over 20 years in the industry. We actually at this channel do a lot of subscription unboxings, any beauty related content, hair tutorials, how-tos, things of that nature. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So for those of you that don't know, Ipsy has 3 different tiers. This is the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. Okay, so let's get right into the box. So this month's theme is Take a Break. And these used to have some information on the products as well as the prices. They don't do that anymore, so it's just a little, pamphlet telling you to get a pedicure and drink it up. So then there's that. So for our first product, we have the Mid-Flower Hydraulic Acid Moisturizing Mask. It's a 30-minute sheet mask. And these 3 retail for $15. So it's hydraulic acid moisturizing mask, revitalizes the skin with intense long-lasting hydration. So it's basically a hydration mask. That's pretty cool, and you get 3 of them for $15. So for the next product, we have the Surfer Curl by Tarte, the Surfer Curl Mascara. Now this was my choice item, so I chose this item. I'm always constantly looking for a new or good mascara. I have such trouble. Anytime I really fall in love with something, they discontinue it. So if anybody out there has any favorite mascara that they're madly in love with that's lengthening and thickening, please comment down below. I would love to hear it. I will try anything. So I did pick this. So this is what it looks like. Now, I should have used it today. I used it yesterday. I forgot about it. And I do curl my lashes first, but it did keep the curl up. I will say that. I would have liked if it would have been a little more volumizing, but I'll be honest, it was a great mascara. I really did enjoy it, and my lashes did not fall whatsoever. So it definitely does hold up the curl, and it gave you some lengthening and thickening. So this retails for $23. So for our next product, we have the Il Makiage Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. And I got the color Eyes on the Prize. Let me just open this up. Okay. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute. Okay, and let's see. Oh, it's a very beautiful color. It's right up my alley, actually. Let's just swatch it. I love gold. Oh, it's so creamy feeling. It's a powder, but it's so creamy feeling. And that's a lot of color payoff. It's beautiful. In fact, even though I do have something on right now, let's just see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that intense color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. That's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. You could actually look at the difference. And I'm just gonna plop a little here so I can even them out so you don't have to look at me looking like a crazy person. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and what a nice formula. It's so nice and it just goes on. So pigmented, it's beautiful. This retails for $29 for a single eyeshadow, so you are paying for that product, but it is definitely worth it because it's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Oh, I have a new favorite eyeshadow. Okay, for our next product, we have the Nature's Cartel. And this is a shimmer lip gloss. And I got the shade VCR Static. So this is what that looks like. It's got quite a bit of shimmer in it. Let's see. I'm going to put it right over this matte lipstick. Oh, what a nice applicator. It's not just your typical doe foot. And it's almost holographic. Oh, I love it. It's almost got like a holographic shift to it. I don't love the taste. It's not the best taste in the world, but it's beautiful. I think it would be interesting to see what this looks like without, you know what? I'm going to take my lipstick off. 1 second, and we're going to try that without any color on. 1 second. Okay, so I just took the lipstick off and I just put a little liner on, which is the Steve Laurent Chic lip liner. And let's see what this looks like with nothing on. It is holographic. And it's got quite a bit of shimmer to it. Almost like glitter, but you don't feel it. Like I recently just tried the e.l.f. had a really glittery gloss to it, and you could feel like the shards of glitter. It was so uncomfortable. This, you can't feel anything at all. And it's very thick. See, this I think I would prefer just like this on its own with just a little lip liner, like not over a lipstick. It is very thick. It is very thick, but I'm just gonna clean up the inside. Oh, I like it. It does give an appearance of being a little pink, but that's okay. Okay, so that retails for $12. And for our I forgot to show you the bag. This is Wanderlust. This is the theme for, this is the Ipsy bag, the theme for the month, but it's kind of like not my favorite bag that they came out with. It's got a cute little helicopter here, but it's not my favorite, but that's okay. I do always end up using these in a diaper bag or whatever. And for our last product, we have the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidizing Priming Moisturizer. Now, I love Purlisse. I love they have the best cleansers. So currently I'm using the watermelon, and I also switch between, I think it is milk and honey. The reason I love them so much is you don't have to sit there and take your eye makeup off, even if you have a ton of mascara, waterproof mascara, whatever. The cleanser itself will break everything down for you. So you literally just scrub and it breaks down your liner, your mascara, anything. So it's almost like a double cleanse, really. But I'm a big fan of their cleansers. I've never tried. This is an oil-free water cream. So it's a moisturizer, but it's also a primer. So if you could moisturize and this is your primer as well. So you don't have to, that would be, you know, and this would be really good if you're traveling and you don't want to carry a moisturizer, a primer, this, that, the other thing. That is good. It's for oily combination, normal, even sensitive. It doesn't say dry though. Oily combination, normal, and sensitive skin, but it doesn't say dry. So it has white tea to smooth sensitive skin, vitamin E, so it prevents premature aging. French marine plants help retain moisture. So it's not really a moisturizer. So if you're very dry, it's pretty much, it's antioxidants, it's a moisturizer, it's a primer. But if you have like really dry skin, I would probably suggest maybe even using it as a primer and using a different moisturizer and using this as well as. That's interesting. But I'm excited to try this. And this retails for $45. So those are the products we got in our box. Just to go over it real quick, we got the Wanderlust bag. We got the Purlisse, the Cartel, which I'm in love, Nature's Cartel. I love this lip gloss. And I'm not even a lip gloss person, but I love it. We got the Tarte mascara. We got the fabulous Il Makiage eyeshadow, and we got the 3 masks. So this whole box retailed for $147, and you're getting it for $25. I really enjoyed this. I will definitely use all the products in here, I must say. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye.